Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Learn English with Hindi by Mansoor Ali, and today in this video we are going to learn some English speaking rules. Friends, if you are alone at your home and you want to practice in English, then follow some English speaking rules. The rules are: number 1, if you are alone at your home, then you can become fluent in English speaking easily. Number one rule is: take a paragraph for English translation, like as if you are reading an English story book or other English book, then take a paragraph and find the words and find how many words you know in that paragraph. If you know all the words in paragraph, which paragraph you are reading, then you can easily translate then that paragraph. And if you don't know about more words, then you can only read that paragraph. So if you don't know about the meanings of words in which paragraph you are reading, then first of all you will have to learn word meanings of that paragraph if you translate in English. Okay, तो अगर आप ट्रांसलेट करना चाह रहे हैं उस पैराग्राफ को, तो आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कितने वर्ड्स आपको आते हैं. सो हाउ मैनी वर्ड्स यू नो in that paragraph. Okay, then if you know the meaning of words, then you can easily translate that paragraph. So this is very important for every learner, which uh, I mean the person uh, who are learning English, it is very important to know about the meanings of words. So if you know the words more and more, then you can easily speak easily, make the sentences in English. And if you don't know the meanings of words, then you will face the problems while speaking or while making sentences. So it is very important to know about the vocabulary increases your mind. I mean, if you have vocabulary, then you can easily make the sentences in English. And if you want to learn English, then you will have to learn vocabulary. So vocabulary gives you a strength regarding your English speaking. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर मुझे कोई सेंटेंस बोलना हो तो मुझे पता होना चाहिए कि उसके जो मीनिंग्स हैं, मतलब जो वर्ड्स हैं, मुझे कौन कौन से यूज़ करने हैं. तो अगर मेरे पास वर्ड मीनिंग होंगे, अगर मेरे पास इंग्लिश का मुझे मीनिंग पता होगा, तो मैं आसानी से सेंटेंसेस बना सकता हूँ. यही बात अगर हम रूल नंबर 2 की बात करें, इफ़ यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, देन this is very important to read English fluently. So this method helps in learning English very easily and very fast. And if you want to become fluent in English speaking, then your reading must be good. So if you read any chapter, any page in English, then you can easily understand. You can easily understand that paragraph, that story. And if you have the vocabulary, then it is very important for you. We must read the chapters daily. We must translate into English. So if you want to become fluent in English, rule number 3 you will have to follow. And rule number 3 is make the friends and do the conversation with your friends. And if you don't have friends, so don't worry. Take your face in front of the mirror, and in front of the mirror you will have to practice more and more. If you practice more and more, you will learn many sentences, you will learn many words, and you will build your self confidence, because self confidence plays the role in English speaking very much. And if you face the problems in starting, don't worry. Every person who learns any language or any other thing in this world can face the problems in starting, in beginning. Okay, so this is natural. We face, if any person wants to learn something, then he will have he will have, or she will have to face the problems. For example, if I want to learn any new things in the world while I am living in India or in other country with my people or other people. Then I will have to face many problems regarding that topic, regarding that field. And uh, there is something we learn from our mistakes, and experience is the best teacher. While we become experience holder, then our mistakes are going to be decreased, okay, are going to be erased. And we learn many things from our mistakes. So if we do many mistakes while we learning something new, then don't worry, this is natural, and it happens with all kinds of people who are living in the world. So don't worry and focus on your goals. And rule number 4, if you want to follow, then rule number 4 is for you regarding English speaking, that writing must be good in English, okay. So write more and more, write more and more English, write more and more in English, so that while you write in English, you will learn many sentences while writing, okay. If we write in English on any topic, then many sentences click in our mind, and we learn many sentences while writing. So writing, reading, listening, speaking, these are four parts of any language learning, okay. And if you follow these four parts, if you follow these four rules, then you will become easily fluent in English speaking. And if you have newspaper at your home, at your office, at your school, or then you can read newspaper daily, because newspaper gives you many new words, so that you will learn many new words regarding your English speaking. And if you don't know the meaning of words which are using in newspaper, then you can use mobile dictionary or offline dictionary in the form of book, and can find the Hindi meaning of those words which are using in newspaper, okay. So that if you read newspaper daily, you will find new words, okay. And it is very important for every person who wants to learn English. Newspaper gives you many strength your English language, because when we read newspaper, we know about the culture, we know about the news which are what and we know what is happening surrounding us. So this is very important to read the newspaper daily, okay. मैंने आपको बताया कि न्यूज़पेपर अगर हम डेली पढ़ते हैं, रोज़ाना न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं, तो हमें नई नई बातें पता लगती हैं. वी कलेक्ट more information from our newspaper, okay. And every topic you will find in newspaper. If you want to read about the sports news, if you want to read about your and culture, if you want to read about your surroundings, and I mean what is happening surrounding you, then you can easily find the uh, especially words, and you can easily find the topics in newspaper. I mean newspaper gives you all kind of information regarding your English speaking. So uh, do this, and I mean follow this rule to become fluent in English speaking. If you are not reading newspaper, then you can order newspaper from today, and you will read newspaper daily, okay. So I will tell you many benefits of reading newspaper. And if you read newspaper, then you will see within a month you will learn many things, many words from newspaper, okay. So uh, I'm finishing this video, and I recall these words for you, which are I mean I am recalling uh, some basic rules of English speaking, which I tell you in this video. Number one, if you are alone at your home, you will read more and more, and writing must be good of you, okay. and reading must be done daily, and read the newspaper daily, okay, so that we know many things about, but we can't speak in English. And if we read more and more in English while we read in newspaper or in books, then we know the new words from our books, our newspaper, and include these words in your English speaking, okay. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.